Good morning, second graders. Give me just a second to fix our audio and then we will get started. We are starting today with a new topic in math. We are moving on from subtraction and starting working with coins. So today we are going to talk about solving problems with coins. Okay, how would we count 3/4? If we know a quarter is worth 25 cents, then we are going to count by groups of 25. So we would say 25, 50, 75.
The value.
Okay, we're going to scoot forward, but we want to think about identifying these coins and then adding them, which is why we worked so hard on our double-digit addition and subtraction before we started this unit. So your job is to identify, this is a $50, a quarter, a dime, a nickel, and a penny, and then remember their values. So if we know a $50 is worth 50 cents, then we know that we would start with 50, a quarter's 25, plus 10, plus 5, plus 1. Really quickly, second graders, I want you to notice that they're using the count on strategy, so they're not saying that this is worth 75 cents. They're counting on. So the bottom numbers include the coins before. This one is 50 cents. 50 cents plus a quarter, which is 25 cents, equals 75 cents. 75 cents plus a dime, which is 10 cents, equals 85 cents. Plus a nickel, which is 5 cents, is 90 cents, plus a penny, which is 1 cent, is 91 cents. So these numbers at the bottom show counting on, okay? We're going to watch another look, and then we will look into our math book. Okay, second grade. Please meet me in your math book. I am on page 443. Give me just a second to get over there, and you do the same. Page 443. Okay. It says, Kelsey had 10 cents in her piggy bank. She finds 5 more cents and puts it in her bank. Then Kelsey's mother gives her 20 cents to put in her bank. How many cents does Kelsey have in her bank now? So she started with 10. Then she found 5 more. And then her mom gave her 20 cents. So what we need to do, second grade, is 10 plus 5 plus 20. We add up our ones place first. 0 plus 5 plus 0 equals 5. Then we add our tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 2 equals 3. And we know that Kelsey has 35 cents. Okay? We are using the same addition and subtraction strategies for this whole unit that we've been practicing since before Thanksgiving. Okay? So there's no stress here. We know just what to do. Let's look at number 1. Your job is to make sure you remember, and if you're not sure, you look back up here to help you identify the coins. That's probably going to be the most challenging part, is identifying the coins. And then you're ready to add. So this is a quarter, a nickel, and a penny. Oops, P for penny. Now it's asking us to count on to find the value. I'm going to bring it in a little bit and turn on our light, see if that helps a little. Yep, I like it better. A quarter's worth 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 5 is 55. And now if you forget, you can look back at the top and it tells you how much each coin is worth. 55 plus 5 is 60. And 60 plus 1, your total is 61 cents. Okay? Let's look at number 2. This is a $50. This is a quarter. This is a dime. This is a penny. If I cannot remember what my coins are worth, I can look up at the top of the page and it will remind me. A $50 is worth 50 cents. Notice we're starting with our largest coins first. We're putting them in order from largest to smallest because that makes our addition a little easier. 50 plus 25, we know that that's 75 cents. 75 plus 10, we know that's 85 cents. 85 plus 1, we know that's 86 cents. Take the time to make sure your 1 and 2 matches my 1 and 2. Now, I want you to work on this next page, 3, 4, 5, 6, on your own. If it helps you, take the time to label the coins first, and then move on from there. We have quarter, dime, 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 quarter, dime, nickel, penny, penny. I'll give you the hint here. This is a $50, dime, dime, nickel, nickel, and I'll let you do the last one on your own. When you are working on this, go ahead and pause your video, and then when you are ready, pop back in to see your quick check, okay? I'm going to go over and talk about the quick check now. All right. Let's go ahead and start by making sure we're here for the quick check. Number 1 says Sophia has the coins below. How many cents does Sophia have? Drag the tiles to count on. So the same thing we were doing before, we're counting on. That should tell you that we're starting with 25 cents, and then we're adding 10, what would come next? Adding 10, what would come next? Adding 5, adding 1, and your total needs to go in this end spot. Okay? Take your time. Josh has these coins. How many cents does he have? This one, you're just adding them up. You can use your book to help you identify if you need to. $50, dime, nickel, penny. Next one, number 3. Andrew has 75 cents. Which coins could he have? Choose all that apply. So you need to go through and add these up and see which ones would work. I will give you a hint. There are 3 correct answers here. So when you are done with this problem, you should have checked 3 boxes. Take your time on that one. That one's a little tricky. Number 4, Caleb has these coins. He would like to buy his sister Maggie a gift. If he had one more dime, which item would he have exactly enough money to buy? So this is asking us to add up these coins and then imagine that we had 10 more cents. Which one of these would he be able to afford? So these coins plus 10, that's what a dime is worth. Which one could he afford then? And finally, number 5, Avery has these coins, quarter, dime, dime. She needs 50 cents to buy a jump rope. What one coin does she need to buy the jump rope? So she has a quarter, a dime, and a dime, and she has to get to 50 cents. What one coin, a penny, a nickel, a dime, or a quarter, will help her get there? Take your time. Use a whiteboard if you need to. Refer back to that page 444 in your math book if you need to look back at those coins, and do your best.